In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear your cache app or app cache in Walmart shopping. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to your settings on any Android devices or any iOS device, and then locate your apps. And then from here, you will see all the applications that is installed in your phone, and then locate your application Walmart. And then once you locate your application, all you have to do is just go to your settings, and then go to your battery storage, go to your storage, and then click on storage. As you can see, there's a clear cache button right in the bottom right, and then just click on this one. Also, if you want to clear your data, you can click on clear data also. And also you can do this all to your applications, not just Walmart app, on other devices too, or other applications. So that's it. So that's how to clear your app cache on Walmart shopping and grocery.